Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Hindustan Times newspaper Sudoku based on January 20, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Third row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell. In this grade, we have 3, so 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 4. Column J also we have 4, so 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Second row and column I, we have pair numbers 397, 397. It can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. Then 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row and column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 9 and 7. It will come in any of the cells. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. In this grade, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 10th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F and 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H and column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. 9th row also we have 9. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column H and column J, we have 4. 8th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, only one cell remaining. We don't know 5 or 8. We will confirm later. In this grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row and 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column B and column C and column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Then the 9 is confirmed here. In 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 5. We will confirm later. Column B and column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Third row also we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. In this grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then here 8 is confirmed here. Second row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. We confirm 2, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Eighth row, we have 8. So 8 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. In this grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column F, we have 6. So 6 got confirmed in this cell. 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Third row, only 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 8. Column C, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column B and column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. 6th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Column F also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, only 1 numbers are remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. We'll confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. In this grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. We will confirm later. Column J also 1 cell remaining, 1 and 2. We will confirm later. Column B and column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. 8th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Column C also we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column B we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, 10th row we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come in these cells. It will come any one of the cells. Column C we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column B we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. In this grid, only 1 numbers are remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, only 1 numbers are remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column B, only 1 numbers are remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 4th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column C we have 6. So 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, only one numbers are remaining. One is confirmed here. Column D, only one numbers are remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Sixth row, only two numbers are remaining. 1 and 2. Column F, you have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, only one numbers are remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Seventh row, only one numbers are remaining. 2 is confirmed here. Ninth row, two numbers are remaining. 1 and 2. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.